What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to your favorite channel where we talk passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. Today we're going to be on the crypto side, back with the COTPS system. I can't get enough of this system. This system is destroying it right now. Don't forget, guys, give me the HBO special. Once you give me that Help a Brother Out special, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for more content, and also to help me get to my 500 subs by the end of the month. Statistics. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and read the disclaimer. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Seek financial advice when needed. Come back, hit the pause button, rewind, read this all the way from top to bottom if that's what you would like to do to get more info on these disclaimers. Let's go back to the COTPS system. Alright, here we are. We're back to the system, back on the page. Right now all we have on the account is 52 cents. We're going to go back to move this out of the way. Going to go back to the transaction hall page so we can see our balance. The balance is $38.49. It's showing the income from transactions, which is pretty much from midnight until now, which is close to 8 o'clock. The last transactions that were done were around 6:30 a.m. So that $38.49, let's pull up our charts. $38.49, $38.49, $38.49. Day number 42, $38.49. Let's put out our handy calculator so we can do these quick calculations so I can show you guys what the percentages are, what the profits are. And by no means am I saying that you guys can make what I'm making. You can make more, you can make less, you can make zero, depending on how much effort you put into the COTPS system, depending on how you set it up, depending on if you use the bot. There's a couple factors that's going to determine how much you earn, including your deposit as well, how much you put into the system. Let's do $38.49. Going to do minus $37.23. Total of $126. Well, as you can see, the profit goes up, the profit goes down, and we're still averaging right above, a little bit, somewhere above 3%, according to the other chart, which I'll show you in just a second. 26. We're going to divide that by 38.49. That's going to give us the percentage of, well, right. We still thought it would be below 3%, but we're still at 3.27%. 3.27% for the day. And the system is still rolling along. It's still chugging along. Let's see if I can make an update on the other chart to see if that'll show how much more progress we can pick up on the $1 million chart. Let's close this. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me open that back up again. That was $38.49. Day 42. Let me come back over here. Let's go up to 34, day 42 on this chart. And you can get this chart, and you can probably have probably 90% of your questions asked if you go down below in the description area, and you just it should be a section that says resources. Go ahead down to that particular area and click on the COTPS link right there. Go to that particular site. It should answer all of your questions. If you're new and you want to sign up, you can also just click the other link down below. It's going to take you to my link tree page. I'll be changing the link probably somewhere in the future to another link, so it won't be so you won't have to go through so many processes just to get to the link. I'll be changing that probably over this weekend to another process, so it'll be easier for you to get to the link instead of going through all of the hoops. So that's just the way I have it set up right now until I can get everything set up the way I need it set up. So go to the COTPS link that's down below in the description. Pretty much 90 to 95% of your questions are going to be answered there. If you're new to crypto, the questions are going to be there. If you've asked it somewhere, it's probably already in there. If not, then you can text me with my number. It's pretty much down in the description as well. And let's see, it was $38.49 on day number 40. We're saying 42. Looks like that's right there, $38.49. I'll change that. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Click this one. 38.49. So right now it's showing that on day 41, from all the info that I put in, that it should be at 30. It should be 33. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you guys. Let's see if that'll work. Okay, looks like something allow for configuration. Okay, press save. Now let's see if it'll work. Allow. Now let's see if this will work. If not, I'll just use it from the other screen over here. Okay, we're showing 33.55 is what it projected after I put in my stats from the I pretty much just pulled my stats from this page and put them on this page, so I'll see that the 3% projection to see how if I'm above the 3% average, if I'm below the 3% average, just to check. And right now I am pretty much above the 3% average. Okay, so I put in my deposit. When I first started, this was the money that actually I didn't earn this much. I actually earned less the first couple of days because my account wasn't actually set up with the bots yet to do the process for me for the first couple of days. And then I had a couple hiccups along the way, so I'm probably averaging a little bit, probably around 4, somewhere around 4%, I would have to guess. And you come down here. So 38.49. Let's see if I can change this to 38.49, and then I'll put that back in a second. Okay, I don't know what that is, but okay, it's not letting me change that one. Let's see if I can change this one. Okay, well, I'll just put right here. I'll just add the amount that looks like it'll to change it to 38.49. So we'll add 300. Let me just add 330, and that'll change that to 36. So we're close to $500 over the amount. That's close enough. I'll leave it at that. So right now I'm pretty much $500 more than what's projected with the 3% systems. That's because I've been referring people and I've been using those referrals, and I haven't made any withdrawals yet. I've let everything that I have just sit in the account and just multiply. And again, I'm not advising anyone to do that. When you decide to join the system, click the link down below, and as soon as you get profitable, as soon as you get your money doubled in the account, just go ahead and take your profits off, so you won't be as stressed, you won't be as finicky, you won't have to be concerned, and you'll have all of your money out. I'm just taking an extra risk just to let it sit in so I can build and compound faster. Right now, let's see, at the $500, just adding that, and that's just from one day. That's gonna pretty much, let's see, just looking down here, day 57 is at 61.86. So 61.86, that's like another 550 just by day 57. But it's pretty much going to get bigger than that. So let's just add that 500 back. And if I was to come down here, we're going to go all the way down to, let's go down to day 70 just to see what the numbers came out to be. Come down to day 70 and it's almost $10,000. So I would expect this account to be at around $10,000. I would say probably around day 70 if things keep trending in the right direction, because it's putting me at 10,000 at around day 74. And since I'm already above that, and it's more than likely just going to keep snowballing, it's just going to keep getting bigger, and it's going to keep compounding by the 3%, above 3% faster than the calculation showing right here. So I will be at 10,000 before day 74. And let's say I stayed in 3 months after this and didn't take out any withdrawals. So we're going to come back. So 90 days after day 40, that would be 131. Let's check out 131. So at 131, over $50,000, and that's just pretty much the power of the 3% compound interest daily the money just getting bigger. It just snowballs if you don't take it out. And I will end up taking out some money. I just don't know when just yet. Right now I'm just gonna sit. I'm just gonna let it ride. And if you agree or disagree, don't forget, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share with me what you think about the channel. Any comments, criticisms, you can share them down below. This is the Passive Income Truck. I'm just sharing you guys my journey of how I got where I am and what you could do if you decide to join. You can, I mean, if you put in more, you'll probably end up making more. It's going to depend on how much you put in if you decide to add more. And I also gave away $100 in the last couple of weeks for those who joined under me. If you're new, guys, don't forget the like special, hit the like button. Give me the HBO special, the help brother out special. Hit the like and subscribe button, guys. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.